What's up YouTube gang, welcome back to another video. In today's video I just want to show you how to mix music in flstudiomobile. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like and share all my videos. Yeah man, mixing is a very difficult thing when it comes to beat making process and mastering. So I just realized that a lot of producers, they struggle with mixing, and I have a lot of my friends that they've been commenting in my channel saying that can you make a video about mixing, or I'm struggling with mixing. So that's when I had this idea of showing you how you can mix your music in FL Studio Mobile. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to level your music by making sure that each and every instrument that you used, or the drum, it must not go beyond the 0 decibels. It must not go beyond the 0 decibels or the 3. So if you don't understand what I mean, I'm gonna explain everything. So in this video I'm gonna talk about how to use EQ, or how EQ is better, it is important when you are mixing. And I'm going to talk about reverb, how it's very important when you're mixing your music. And I'm going to talk about the dynamics in FL Studio Mobile, how to make your music to sound in left ear and the right ear. If you don't understand, I'm going to show you everything. So make sure you subscribe, comment, like and share all my videos. Let's go. So first thing first, let's start with leveling your music. So there is this beat I was making, so I'm going to decrease the volume of every instrument that I use in this beat, and then after that I'm going to bring back the level of the sound, one pattern by pattern, so that you can see that maybe sometimes the music is clashing, you don't know which sound is clashing with the other, because most of the time 808 and the kick, they clash together. But if you master and EQ your 808, then the kick will get enough room. Like the main point is to get enough headroom for other instruments to get a chance to be audible. So I'm going to show you how to level your music in this video. Let's go. Second thing, let's talk about EQ. EQ is very important. I always EQ my pianos because they have the low frequency. The main thing of EQing your sound is to remove the high frequency that is unnecessary and the low frequency that is unnecessary. Your sound must not clash. The pianos, if it's the piano, it must not clash with the 808 if I'm using the 808 or the bass, because the sound won't have enough headroom for to give other instruments a chance to be audible. So I'm gonna show you how to use the EQ and how to cut the unnecessary low and high frequencies. Reverb is very important when you are using vocals or instrument, so I like adding reverb in my flute. So let me show you how you can add reverb on your orchestral instruments. Decibels. So like again, as I said in the beginning, you need to make sure the audio does not go beyond 0 decibels. It must be down so that you give enough space for other parents to be audible, because most of the time if you increase the volume of everything, so everything will be crashing see. So yeah man, you need to balance. So the main thing of the video is to balance to get a proper mixing in flstudiomobile. Have you ever heard like making a song? Maybe when you're using headphones, then what the sound is sounding or in the left side or the right side. So in music there is this thing called dynamics, where you happen to listen to a the full song in one ear and the other in the next ear, with like it's only possible when you're using headsets, but in the speakers you can't hear anything. So man, that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like and share all my videos, and make sure you go to my Telegram to download the free samples, free piano keys and free drum keys that I keep on dropping there. So yeah man, thank you for watching until the end. Peace.